just wanted to get a quick update on my sea monkeys because everything's looking so good in this Magiquarium. We got a nice adult in there, a few little teenagers, a couple babies. We might top off the tank, but I just don't want to top it off yet. Probably want to wait 1 or 2 more days. Everybody just looks so happy. And when I do top it off, I'm only going to add a little bit of water at a time. Sea monkeys on Mars look great too. Not much going on in the Sea Monkeys Magic Castle. I'm gonna hold off a couple days before I dump it. I'm sure there's eggs in there, something might hatch. Also, today we are going to be adding just a little bit of distilled water in all of our tanks. Whoops. Our Sea Monkeys Magic Castle is pretty good, but I'm just going to add a little drop in there. And there we are. All our tanks are topped off.